guys! On Tuesday, you are going to work on page 120, chapter number 8, present continuous. So we have before you read, we are going to discuss some questions. Then we are going to read, okay, you have the audio in the presentation. And then we are going to complete exercise 8.3, page 121. Okay, after you read, write a T for true or F for false for each statement. Okay, and we have some vocabulary words. So we are going to practice, and you are going to write a sentence with each vocabulary word in your notebook. Remember, use different colors, be creative, and you can paste a picture or draw a picture. Okay, that's it.